YouTube is pretty simple. You record something on a camera and then you put it on the internet, right? So I'm here to show you how this rinky-dink small channel with its top secret amazing equipment can make such low budget production quality. First off, I want to say you should go back and watch some of my most recent videos to get a feel on my shot selection and how I edit videos. Then come back and watch this video. I may summarize a bit because, let's be honest, your time's important. Let's get started. Equipment. Well, there's so many options on equipment out there that it's a bit overwhelming. But I can tell you one thing, you don't need the fanciest, nicest looking piece of equipment out there. Just something that fits your own personal needs. The gear I use is my Sony Alpha A5100 budget camera for sure, and a Blue Yeti. That's pretty much what I'm using right now. The camera right there, and the mic right here. The only real difference is the camera's on a tripod. Now just listen here for a second. The reason why I use a dedicated mic is because the mic that comes straight out of the camera won't sound anywhere near as good. Just take a listen at what I'm saying right here. Not good. The Yeti's great for more stationary objects, but when there's people walking around, the Yeti is pretty much impractical. You don't want to be moving this around with your subject. Instead, you want something like this. A Zoom H1 and a lav mic so you can track your subject and you have crisp, clear audio the entire time. Moving on, let's talk filming. I open the blinds up to let some natural light in, or else my videos would look more like this, which you don't want. Then I make my easy to follow setup, just hooking my mic up to my MacBook, setting up the camera, and voila, you got this shot right here. Looks great, looks fantastic, 100%. Then you begin recording, like you see me right here, right now, like right now. Then the easy stuff is done, and we move on to B-roll. B-roll is basically product shots or shots you show while someone is talking and voicing over the clip. I usually like to take around 10 to 15 general product shots of the item I'm talking about, and then another 10 to 15 shots to showcase its features. A tripod is great for those panning shots that you've probably seen in my videos. However, if you don't have a tripod or just can't afford one, then I suggest placing your camera on top of a chair, a rolly chair that is, and slowly moving that chair. It gives you the same effect as a pan. If the video is about ideas or things I can't really take a picture of or can't get a good shot of, then I try to make an animated little diagram or something along those lines to help convey what I'm trying to say. From there comes my favorite part. I love the editing process. I just take all the footage that I shot that day, transfer it to my MacBook Pro, slap all of them into Final Cut Pro, and start editing. It's by far my favorite part. Even on days when I feel too tired, I can still somehow force myself to edit. Some cuts here and there, audio adjustments, and music, and bam! Finished. From there, it's exported and uploaded onto YouTube. I then start to make its thumbnails and plan the release of the video to be released on Friday at 2 p.m. Hint, that's when all my videos go live. And then the cycle continues. Again and again. Well, that's my editing process. We've come a long way from me just using shoeboxes to hold up my mic. And I will admit there has been times where I really didn't feel like uploading a video. But I am very proud to say that ever since I made a promise to myself that I will release a video every week, I have never broken that promise. But lately I've been thinking about taking a real week off to just cool down and generate new ideas. But that's for another time. What do you guys think about this surprisingly simple process? Was it exactly what you thought it would be, or was it more complex or simpler? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and well, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.